You're helping set the table for dinner. What would you like to drink? Choice 1. Sparkly apple juice, as refreshing and clear as a summer day. Choice 2. Creamy milk, perfect for cooling down a plate of hot cookies.
My choice is apple juice. What's yours?
It's lunchtime. What would you like to pack in your lunchbox? Choice 1. A yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich on whole wheat bread.
Choice 2. A tasty wrap filled with grilled chicken, veggies, and cheese. My choice is tasty wrap. What's yours?